Looking for a music generator? Well, today we are looking at MusicGPT. We're also having a look at Aiva. Both are AI-powered music generators. We want to see who produces better music. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are jumping into MusicGPT now. And MusicGPT allows you to use text to music creation. And this, for me, I think is the easiest way to do this. So you can transform your natural language prompts into full original songs instantly. All you need to do is describe your vision and watch it come to life. You can create custom lyrics tailored to any theme or artist style, or you can write your own before generating the music. You can produce instrumental tracks, vocal songs, spoken text clips, and even custom sound effects for literally any project. You can explore and remix thousands of community-generated AI tracks sorted by mood, genre, as well as popularity. The competitive and market advantages. It is an all-in-one platform. So it combines music generation, lyric writing, voice conversation, and audio editing in a single platform, unlike some of its competitors offering just single focused tools. There's no expertise needed, no technical expertise. It is a very intuitive interface which opens professional music creation to non-musicians, small businesses, and creative beginners. All generated music can be freely monetized, which is perfect for YouTube, advertising campaigns, podcasts, games, and even commercial projects. MusicGPT also offers a robust scalable API with webhook support and global CDN delivery, enabling developers also to build music-powered applications and integrated API composition into existing platforms. This is perfect for SaaS products, mobile apps, and enterprise solutions. The last thing over here is their community and discovery. So the platform actually recommends rising artists and niche genres, fostering music discovery and innovation, and users can explore trending tracks, remix community creations, and also stay in the forefront of AI-generated music culture all in all. Okay, let's have a look at Aiva. So Aiva is AI-powered music, and it's amazing. You got to actually give it a go. You got to try it out and see how amazing it actually is. It represents a breakthrough in artificial intelligence driven music creation. It's empowering creators to generate original compositions without traditional musical training. This platform is now transforming how music is conceived, produced, and even distributed across industries, from film scoring to game development and even beyond. Let's have a look at some of their core technology. So, their deep learning architecture. Aiva employs sophisticated neural networks trained on over 30,000 scores from classical masters like Bach and Mozart to modern composers, enabling it to understand musical theory, musical structure, and emotional resonance. User customization. So this is where it gets interesting. The platform allows precise control over your genre, mood, tempo, instrumentation, and compositional structure. This gives you, as the user, the ability to really fine-tune every aspect of the AI-generated compositions. The next important thing, output flexibility. Compositions can be exported as professional MIDI files, audio tracks, or complete orchestral scores. This provides versatility for different production environments and even different workflows. The last thing over here is their creative applications. So, first of all, their media production. Filmmakers and game studios leverage Aiva to create emotional, contextual, appropriate soundtracks without licensing constraints. The AI can even generate variations on themes to match scene progression and emotional arcs. You also get the composer assistance. So you get a professional composer to use Aiva to overcome creative blocks and explore new musical directions. The platform can generate compositional sketches that musicians then elaborate upon, creating a collaborative human AI workflow. Also, it integrates with industry standard DAWs like Logic Pro, Ableton Live, and Pro Tools, allowing seamless incorporation of AI compositions into existing production pipelines with plug-in functionality. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, a fantastic comparison of two of the best. Having a look at what exactly they offer, it's always a nice takeaway to figure out what works best for you. Use some of the different software and really figure out what works. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.